Day everyone, so my topic for today is all about limits. Limits suggest a boundary that may be reached or not, or possibly exceeded. Lim an over equal to L over in to infinity. So the limits of an is equal to L as in increases without bound is L. So these are some properties of limits. So number 1, lim over in to infinity 1 over n is equal to 0. 2 is lim over n to infinity n is equal to infinity. So let's say for example, by using so these are the properties also. So if lim n is equal to a, lim bn is equal to b, and c is a constant. Lim n to a rather than lim bn over n to infinity. So number 1, lim over n to infinity c is equal to c. Number 2, lim c over n to infinity an is equal to c. So lim a times an over n to infinity, so it is equal to c times an. Number 3, lim an plus bn is equal to lim an over n to infinity plus lim b over n to infinity is equal to a plus b. Number 4 is lim over n to infinity a or an plus times bn, so it is equal to lim an over n to infinity times lim b over n to infinity is equal to a times b. Last, lim over n to infinity an over bn is equal to lim an n to infinity over lim bn n to infinity is equal to a over b, or b is equal to 0. So let's say for example, example number 1, lim n plus 6 over n to infinity. So lim an n to infinity plus lim 6 n to infinity, so infinity to, so the answer is, so infinity plus 6, then so the answer is infinity. So by using this, what's the formula sheet yung gigamit ni plus, so kani iyang gigamit, gi-add lang niya ang katong given, so na gi-add lang niya. Si next is lim n to infinity 4n plus 1 over 1 is equal to lim n to infinity times 4n over n plus 1 over n. So lim over n to infinity 4 plus 1 over n. So lin 4 kani mura ni siyang gikuan i-times ba, so lim times 4, so lim 4 plus lim times 1, so lim over n to infinity is infinity. So, kani dayon na dayon ni siya. So mao to nga 4 plus 0 4 0 plus 0, so the answer is 4. So the answer of this given, the answer of this given, The answer is given is 4. Last, lim times 4 plus 3 is equal to lim 4 plus lim 3 over n to infinity. So, 4 plus lim times lim 1.3 or 1 times 3 over n or n to infinity. So, 4 plus lim 1 times lim 3. Kani, mo na siyang kuan i-times lim 1 sa lim 1, lim 3, n to infinity. So, 4, kani 4, ano 4, tapos 0, 0, tapos 3. So, 4 plus 4. 0 times 3, 0. So, 4 ang nabilin. So, the answer is 4. So, that's all. Thanks for watching.